I suffer because it's just can I just can record 10 minutes. As you can see, we have in the output, we have only this line with the value of the 1. Okay, I can even change the value to 100. Whatever I want, it doesn't, I just save it and then run the program again. And you'll see it's up to you to write each number as a value because uh, yeah, the right way is right for the first one is 1 because when actually in this setup I don't it's not very important to just write 100 because I'm gonna write all the parameter that I already sent to my mapper class. Here you see this is my mapper class that's our because context has the configuration in information of the configuration in context. As you can see, we receive the context as a parameter for the setup function. Okay, just you see that now is our value is going to be 100 now. You can write whatever you want. Okay, I just because I just type it dot/h. Maybe it's not. You see what's happening. I just show you again. Nano H is one of the editor in the Linux. Is I just because I remove all the class, all the jar file, all the sometimes the identifier is one of the files created on the H drive, and I say hdfs remove the rest is going to be my output of the is going to be my output of the Hadoop job. And after that, I say Hadoop.com tools Java main boot. As I think you already have to write all of them at the end of the time, and I can just even remove that one. Just I don't need that one anymore, and I just HDFS. Okay, I just HDFS. I get the list. And even I just don't need that one to just have it faster. Okay, even I don't need to, yeah, I think this is the best one. Okay, remove class, remove that, I do some compile Java, this is okay, I'm gonna just save it, and say yes, save it, okay. This is the batch file just running all the command, you don't need to type it all the time. Okay, as you can see, we write this word in our context. I'm just gonna comment it because we don't need that. Just okay. Let's do something. I'm gonna just a very simple thing. I'm gonna write in my map class because map is running for every line in the file. Okay, if I just say context right, as what because the context are key should be actually is text value or key. This the value is going to be our vote in the underline. Sorry, the value because the map function receive the line. For every line, map is going to run. I'm gonna just because value is the object of the text. I don't need to create the text anymore, and I'm gonna say just 1 as well. Okay, I just have 1 line to write the value, whatever the value mapper receive. I'm gonna write it in the context because I don't have any, as you can see in here, I commented not reducer, not combiner. That's why you see the output only whatever the map is going to write in the context. As you can see, we only have every time the map is running, we're gonna have the program is gonna write the value, whatever the map is receiving, is going to write in the context. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna just put ./h. If you just search on the internet, Google how to write the batch file, you just need to write a batch file and just change the ch mode to the 755 to executable, and after that you can run the batch file to do all the command, not typing all the time. I just write. Okay, I'm expecting to just write every line. You can see every value the map is receiving has to be on our output file. Oh, yes, you can see this is the output is going to be every line. With the only one line, the output is going to be every line. I think shouldn't be any question. Okay, I'm just gonna a little bit upgrade the program to just not writing the line. I'm gonna just make it a string tokenizer, ITR, new string tokenizer. I'm getting the value to the different. Okay, as you can see, there is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times already write the program. Let's do something, play a little bit more with that, not passing very quickly. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just define one integer. Okay, well, it's a counter. I'm gonna say is static because our class is static. That's why if you wanna just keep that one for all the time, you have to keep static. Counter is 0. Okay. Every time the function map. Okay, I'm gonna just on the setup. I'm gonna say counter plus plus, and I'm gonna write instead of the 1, I'm gonna say, okay, the value should be counter. Okay, because the counter, and after writing the context, I'm saying counter again plus plus. Okay, what about if I put the counter for the first time, for example 300? Okay, and I printed 300. As you can see, for the setup, my counter is going to be 301. When it's come to the map, it's going to be right on that. Let's run because this one takes time. When it's gonna write the context, the counter is going with 301, and for the next line, counter is going to be 302, 303, 304, and every line, the line has to start from 301. The next line should be 302, 3, 310. Let's see the output. Because when you know what is happening exactly behind the scene, easy to just change the program. That's why I wanted to do that. I try to just understand what is exactly happening behind there. Oh, you can see that the first one is 301, 304, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, because it's sorting. That's why it's anyway. Just the number is changing because always the output in the context from the map is sorted. Okay, what I'm gonna do, because the value is a text. Okay, I'm gonna do something tricky to make all of them uppercase. To make them all of them uppercase is much better to make it all of them uppercase. Okay, let's do uppercase later. I'm gonna finish this video because my time is going to be finished soon. Let's do something very quickly. I don't have time. Okay, I disconnect from here.